We have seen over filtered pictures, we have seen tacky clothing, we have seen her behind Yolanda every day. What is it that Thandeka Shabalala will bring to the table? She did a photo shoot that was underwhelming. She's having a Tachela, which I feel like is a chore rather than homecoming, because tell me why you are having a homecoming but we don't get the essence of who you are as a person. Relatability is very important in this industry. People need to connect you on a personal level. I mean, it's a choice not to have people in your personal space, but at the same time, who are you gonna influence if you don't understand your home, where you come from, who you are as a person? Thandeka Shabalala has, by herself, without anyone asking, set the bar high as a person, saying that she's a luxurious person, she's this rich, and she did that on herself. And saying that she did not do that is a lie. Now her fans are frustrated, saying that she did not live up to the expectation. And the truth is, in the social media industry, people, they don't live for moments. Moments is what makes you trend, but consistency will make you stick forever. I mean, look at what Liema has been doing since coming out of the house. Even Woody Dintle, who don't have that much of impact like Thandeka, they are working consistently, making sure that they post every single day. Remember that there's a social media algorithm that we're working with here. So if Thandeka does not try to push algorithm, someday people will just leave and move on, not because they dislike her, not because she's not the thing, no, just because she's not consistently delivering. She has set the bar high. As a luxurious person, she must live up to that expectation. And also, as a smart person, she always talked about being articulate enough, but so far she has not done anything that is very, and I believe that it's not because she has not done it. I believe that she's one person who's passionate about elderly people, but so far we don't know why. What's the reason behind that? Was she raised by the grandmother? What's going on? We need to know as the fans who have invested in her, because to be honest, if we're being honest, you're going to elderly home to spend time with them. Why? What's the purpose? You're just going there, you enjoy staying with, do you love novels? Like, what's going on, Thandeka? You need to tell us. I feel like at this point, the fans of Thandeka, they are just trying to connect the dots and fill up the gaps where she's missing those gaps. And it is not their duty to do that. As the fans, we need to hype up every move that you do. But if every move that you do is following Yolanda, if every move that you do is coming up with clothing that looks like they are from Marabastad, and I'm not saying that Marabastad doesn't sell quality clothing, but you said in the Big Brother house that other girls are wearing cheap stuff. So you don't have any reason to come here wearing cheap stuff. I'm not here to direct Thandeka, but the truth must be told. Thandeka has set the bar for herself and she must live up to those expectations. And another thing that you must understand in this industry is that people, they will follow people who are giving in the work. Like, meritocracy in this industry is very important. I mean, you might say this about CN Buji, you might say this about Mikhail, but those girls, they've been giving their work week in and week out. Every single day they make sure that they make appearance, an important appearance. You don't just appear looking like we are go Makelwan. You're not going to Makelwan. You have to look put together, even if that appearance you're not getting paid. Look put together, clear yourself, have a clear makeup. Everything must be on fleek. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Do you think that Thandeka will one day live up to the expectation? I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.